Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a custom status on Slack to keep your team updated on your availability and current focus. Step 1. Open the status menu. In the 2026 Slack interface, your status is the quickest way to communicate your vibes to the team without sending a single message. Click on your profile picture in the bottom left sidebar. When the menu pops up, click the field that says Update Your Status. This opens the status customization window. You'll see a list of presets like in a meeting or commuting, but we're going to build something unique. Step 2. Customize your emoji and message. Your status consists of two parts, a visual icon and a short text description. Click the smiley face icon to choose an emoji that represents what you're doing, like a headphones for deep work or a coffee for a break. Then type your specific message in the text box. For example, deep focus, ping for emergencies only. In 2026, you can use custom workspace emojis as your status icon, which is great for team-specific inside jokes or project-related tags. Step 3. Set an expiration time. To avoid having a lunch status active at 5 p.m., you need to tell Slack when to clear it. Click the Remove Status After drop-down menu. You can choose a preset like 1 hour or today, or select Custom to pick a specific time down to the minute. Once you hit Save, your status will appear next to your name everywhere in Slack, and it will automatically disappear once the timer runs out. And that's pretty much it. To set a custom status in 2026, click your profile picture, select Update Your Status, and choose your emoji and text. Set a clear after time so it expires automatically, and hit Save to let your team know exactly what you're up to. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.